This is Sonoff's RGB smart switch called the TX Ultimate. It works with EV-Link, Google Home and also Amazon Echoes. This is the switch. This is a 2-gang version and these are the connectors. You can put in a line in and a neutral. Open it up from the back and we have access to the screw holes. This is how it lights up once connected, and these are all the lighting effects that are available. You can access the options via the EV-Link app and you can change between them by just one click. Very cool lighting animations. We also have custom covers for the switch which can be easily changed.